As the Bahamas prepares for a July 1st reopening of the tourism industry, Deputy Chief Medical Officer Dr. DeLon Brennan says health officials remain on high alert and are ready to respond to additional cases of the COVID-19 pandemic. While many remain hesitant on the reopening of the nation's borders, Dr. Brennan says visitors traveling to the Bahamas must undergo strict COVID-19 protocols.
It is likely that there will be some additional cases. What we're hoping to do is mitigate the number of cases by instituting measures that we minimize the overall possibility of cases coming in by requiring individuals to have testing done. If there isn't testing, we move toward a risk assessment. So that people declare whether they've been exposed to a previous case of COVID-19 or they've had COVID-19 or have tested positive. That's all a part of our screening procedures before people come in country. Then, of course, when they come into country, we make sure that we have their contact information so that if they end up with, determining that they are positive or they do have symptoms, then we can follow up and do testing for them.
Recently, Minister of Tourism and Aviation, the Honorable Dionisio de Aguilar, said the Bahamas would suffer an unprecedented economic period if it failed to restart the industry that provides the greatest amount of jobs and earnings in this country. Dr. Brennan says his team is equipped with the manpower and resources to mitigate a potential second wave of COVID-19 infections.
We've supplemented the amount of services that we've been able to deliver, the amount of people that are trained to be able to do so. So I think we'd be able to address an initial surge, and as we determine the need for additional resources, we'd be able to recruit them amongst trained individuals in other areas, whether that's public sector or private sector.